In this video, I'll show you how to fix the issue of the number of ads you can show has been limited in Google AdSense. So first, make sure you are on the Google AdSense website, and then on the dashboard, look for any notification or alerts related to the ad serving limitation. So as you can see here, I don't have yet a notification for that issue. So assumingly we have that issue. So uh, understand the reason for the limitation. So Google typically limits ad serving due to invalid traffic detected on your site, or policy violations, or new account verification in progress. So to resolve policy or traffic issues, if it's due to invalid traffic, you can check your analytics for unusual spikes in traffic. Then, you can also block suspicious IP addresses or regions, and avoid using traffic exchanges or bots to increase site visits. And if it's a policy violation, review your site's content and ad placement, and then remove any content that violates Google policies such as adult material, copyrighted content, and misleading ad placement. And ensure you adhere to Google's content and ad policies. Now, if it's due to a new account verification, wait for Google to complete its review process and then continue generating high quality content and avoid any suspicious activities. After that, if applicable, appeal the limitation, and once you've addressed any potential issues, you can file an appeal. Go to the policy center in your AdSense dashboard and then click on the appeal link related to the limitation notice, and then provide a clear explanation of the actions you've taken to resolve the issues. Be patient as it takes time for Google to review your appeal. And then after that, you can regularly check your account for updates and focus on maintaining high quality, policy compliant content. And that's it. That's how to fix the number of ads you can show has been limited in Google AdSense. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.